Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download code blocks for your computer in a very simple way. How you're going to do it? Simply come over into your favorite browser and then going to search for code blocks. After that, click on code blocks download, and then here is the website called www.codeblocks.org. So if you click on download code blocks, and then here you'll find the option called download to the left side. So if you click on that, and from here you will get the first link called download the binary release. So if you click on the binary release and close the ad, you'll come over into Microsoft Windows download section, code blocks 20.03 MinGW setup.exe. So if you click on the first tab to download, click on that, and from here after a very short time the download will be started over here. And you can see it's about 145 MB and it will take some seconds to download. For that, keep patience. And after that, you can see the download is completed right now. So if you just click on this folder icon over here, and then here you will find the code blocks setup file over here. So if you click on it 2 times, and then going to close the all other apps over here, and there will be a permission, click yes. I'm going to close all the running apps, and then now what you can see, this is the code block setup wizard. And then if you click on next, and I agree to the accept the terms and the license condition, and from here you can simply uncheck if you have any good reasons to uncheck them. If it's not, then simply leave it as default and then simply click on next. After that, if you want to change the file location, you can simply click on the browse and then you can change it. But I will leave it as default and then simply click on install. After that, you can see the installation process is begin and it will take some minutes to complete it. For that, keep patience. And you can see that after completing the installation, here will be a notification called do you want to run code blocks now? So I'm going to click on no. And after completing the installation, simply click on next and then click finish. After that, if you restart your PC, then it will be very fine. After completing the restart, you will get the code blocks app icon over here, and then if you click on it to open it, you can see your code blocks is getting opened. And now you can see that the compiler is detected. So if you click on OK, and after a short time, you can see your code blocks is open into your computer. And now you can see this is how we can create new project and open an existing project. So, and this is code blocks 20.03. So you can simply download it by simply some steps. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.